finally has arrived. I was waiting for this thing for a long time. Retractable hose to replace that one that broke. 32 feet plus 9 foot. So you have a long cord, you can hook up your compressor. So it can go on a ceiling and then has a little bit of a pivot in it. There it is. It's up there. Really easy installation. A lot easier than the other one I had because it's a lot lighter. And you see it pivots this way. So that's nice because when you pull the hose, you know, from like far somewhere, then it reverts itself to its original position. Also what's nice about it, you just pull a little bit and it goes all the way back. And inside there, it has a tracker and it's a dual function. So you can pull as much as you want on it and then you pull a little bit and it goes all the way. Does not come with accessories, but I had my own accessories, so I'm ready as far as that goes. And the hose was long enough to go around my water heater, around there, through the cabinet, into my compressor, which is like located over there. So the other external hose is really, really nice. It's as simple as this. Now, if you want to check the pressure on your tires, you could just pull and pull and pull and pull and pull and pull, and then it stops. And now we are at the back wheel of the car, and we can check pressure. So yeah, that is really nice. I like this. This is the hose, the rubber PVC air hose 3/8. It doesn't kink and it's light, so it goes very easily back in. I'm really happy with this thing. It's smaller, prettier, nicer than the one that I had before. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.